Direct acting means that the valve uses a power supply to open and close. A power is transformed into a magnetic force. In a plunger type valve, forces a plunger to move and open or close that seat. The other direct acting valves operate without a plunger but with the same principle of direct power application to move. Direct acting valves are for small flow rate. High flow rate have stronger fluid pressure with valve required more power to open or closed. Direct acting valves are not feasible for high flow rate. Many different direct acting valves material, type, functions and size exist, but all uses direct application of power to open or close.